In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your Wix website. Let's dive right in and get your website live on the internet. First, we need to navigate to the Wix website by visiting Wix.com. This is where you'll begin the process of bringing your online presence to life. Once there, look towards the top right corner of the homepage and click on the Login button. If you already have a Wix account, just go ahead and enter your credentials. If not, don't worry. You can easily register with your email or social media accounts. After logging in, your Wix dashboard will appear. Now, let's create a new site. On the dashboard, locate the Create New Site button. Clicking this will set you on the path to designing your custom website. During this process, you may encounter the option to include chat features. In this case, simply click Without Chat to proceed without integrating a chat service. This can always be added later if needed. Next, you'll be prompted to choose whether to skip optional steps. Go ahead and click Skip. This will enable you to focus solely on the design of your site without getting overwhelmed by additional features that may not be essential at this stage. Now that we're ready to start building, click on Design Site. Here's where the fun begins, as you get to select a look and feel that resonates with your brand. Wix offers a vast range of templates, but for this tutorial, we're going to click on Pick a Template. This option allows you to browse through various design styles and find one that perfectly complements the type of content you plan to showcase. Once inside the template gallery, we'll narrow it down by choosing the Personal Blog category. Even if your website doesn't strictly fit this label, personal blog templates tend to offer a more personalized and engaging interface, which can be an excellent choice for many types of websites. After selecting a template, click on the Edit button to start customizing. This step is all about infusing your personal touch, so don't hesitate to experiment with the various elements available. Input your text, upload images, and adjust layouts. This is your chance to make the website entirely yours. Once you're satisfied with the design and content, it's time to go live. Click on the Publish button, which will make your website publicly accessible on the internet. Wix will also provide you with a free domain, or you can connect a custom domain if you have one. And there you have it. Your website is now live and ready to be shared with the world. Be sure to continuously update and refine your site over time to ensure it effectively meets the needs of your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!